Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I turned myself into Lady Loki. Quick disclaimer, this is not supposed to be Lady Loki from the comics. This is meant to be Loki from the movies, but Lady Loki, gender bend. I know that there's a Lady Loki in the comics, obviously because I just said that this isn't supposed to be her. I just wanted to clarify that. I'm so excited for this cosplay. I am debuting this cosplay at Dallas Fan Days this year in October, which once you're seeing this, it's after October, but when I'm filming this, it's the last day of September, so I can still say in October. No more chit-chatting, no more stalling, let's just get into the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this, because I really did. Alright, first things first, glasses off, earrings out, because if the wig cap gets caught on those, ooh, does that hurt. Alright, wig cap. I'm gonna start off by priming with the NYX Cosmetics Pore Filler and Shine Killer because my pores are everywhere in foundation, but I have combination skin, so my T-zone is all oily. Shine Killer is very... I don't know how I feel about it, honestly, because it's a little... not really greasy. Yeah, it's a little greasy. Like, it's not terrible. It's not like, you know, you got a McDonald's and your burger is dripping. But it's not... it's just weird. The pore filler, on the other hand, is like... it reminds me of like a mousse. The foundation I'm using is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Light.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things...
I'm gonna set it with the NYX #NoFilter finishing powder in Porcelain.
Been, oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me.
So I'm going to fill my brows with the NYX 3-in-1 Brow Pencil in black.
What you think that I can be? I'm the one at the sail. I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh.
I'm going to use this NYX eyeshadow base. It's the black one. It looks like a gel eyeliner. Ooh, look at that. It's untouched. I haven't touched this. I've been using the same eyeshadow base, the same type, but it's in neutral skin tone, and I have it in white. I used it in white. Let me tell you guys, a little goes a long way. The white one was the first one that I used, and I use a brush to apply my primer, and did I just say I use a blush? I use a brush to apply my primer. And it didn't look like there was anything on the brush, and I put it on my eye, and whoo! I'm gonna put the skin tone, the neutral eye primer all over my lid, all the way up to my brow bone and under my eyes. And I'm gonna set it with my face powder, and then I'm gonna put the black on my lid and set that with black eyeshadow.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up.
I'm going into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm grabbing the shade Mean, and I'm gonna blend that all over my crease.
Believer, believer.
And I'm not gonna put too much of this color down because it's kind of like it's the transition shade, so I'm only gonna lay down like this much. And now with a slightly smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take Hatter, and I'm gonna blend that slightly lower into my crease, like more into my actual crease.
Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my time, it came from. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Third things turns and
I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Shadow Box palette. I'm going to flip my brush around to this end, and I'm going to take Indo, the green, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it up into the colors of my crease.
Prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above.
Now I'm going to take some concealer. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic. Yeah, Photogenic Concealer in 03. I think this is light or fair, maybe fair. I'm leaning more towards light though because I'm not that pale. And I'm going to do like a spotlight eye, a halo eye. I don't usually cut anything out with concealer to do this, but I'm going to this time because I'm using a pigment.
I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like...
Really quickly, I'm just going to set that with face powder. I'm going to very carefully use the other side of... I'm gonna take NYX's Pigment Primer, and I'm gonna put that on top of the concealer, and I'm gonna use their Foil Play eye pigment in Digital Glitch. I'm not the biggest fan of this pigment, to be honest. I mean, now this was before I had the pigment primer, so I'm not sure if that has something to do with it, but I had a really hard time getting it on and making it look good without it looking clumpy. So I'm going to take some on a flat brush, and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm hoping that by having carved out this spot, and by using the primer, this is going to go a lot more smoothly than it did last time. Do I need to use my finger? Oh, it feels all grainy too. Beautiful. It's all in my eyelashes, all over my desk. Blending out with my finger does seem to help a lot. So it is going better than it did last time, but I'm still not a fan. Now I'm going to take their NYX's Glitter Primer and their Loose Glitter in Gold. And I'm going to put some of the primer on my eye, literally over where I just put the pigment, because I still want the color to be there, but I don't like the texture that it gives. I was going to do this anyway, pigment or no. And I'm going to apply the glitter with my finger so that it's more scattered, it's not as packed. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to pop this on my inner corners and blend it out with my pinky, and also on my brow bone. Then this is going to act as a base for the highlighter I'm putting on. The highlighter I'm going to be using on my inner corner today is from the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow palette, aka my favorite highlighter palette ever. And I'm going to be using the gold shade.
Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open.
I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just going to do a band across my lash line. I'm going to try to keep it as thin as I can, but those are always famous last words.
It rained down like...
lashes and coat them with my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Sorry, I'm just kind of staring into your soul.
Let the borders fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my time began from. Let me up, believer.
Now, I'm gonna take another NYX Jumbo pencil. This one is in pure gold. Guess what the color is? I'm gonna line my waterline with this. Okay, now I'm going to repeat on my bottom lid what I did on my top lid. I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes.
I'm sorry, mother. I'm sorry I let you down. Well, these days I'm fine. No, these days
Now I get to carve my face out. I'm going to use the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Duo. This is their lightest. These are their lightest shades in taupe and ivory.
I'll take the west train just by the side of Amsterdam. Just by my.
Wow. Oh. Hey, okay. I suppose if you're wanting a more natural looking contour, you could use this, would be great. Because this is very natural looking, but I do want to build it up and make it more intense. I'm going to go into the IT Cosmetics You Sculpted Contour Highlight Kit. So I'm going to take the soft contour on this skinny angled, this skinny angled brush. I'm going to go over the liquid contour I just sat down.
Left the brain just by the side of the Tin Man.
I'm gonna go in with my Wonder Stick, and I'm only gonna take the light side, and I'm going to carve out my cheekbones even more.
I'm sorry.
And I'm gonna go into the same gold shade I used on my eyes on the highlighter, and I'm gonna buff that into my cheekbones. Woo! I'm actually gonna go into the lightest shade in here too, because it's like the reflections are gold, and I want it to be a bit lighter, so I'm gonna go over the other gold with it.
I'm sorry I let you down. Well, these days you're fine. No, these days you tend to lie. You'll take the.
I'm going to take this liquid lipstick from LA Splash in Nagini. I love this liquid lipstick so much.
West train just by the side of Amsterdam. Just by your left brain. Just by the side of the Tin Man. Your time will come if you wait for it. If you wait for it, it's hard.
Now I'm going to go put the wig on, and I will be finished. Whew. Okay, I admit, this is like the first time I've ever put a wig on by myself, and it's probably not on all the way on the back, but as long as it doesn't fall off my head and take the wig out with it, I will be happy. So, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be alerted when I post it, which admittedly is very rarely. Make sure you also check me out on Instagram and Tumblr, because I am the most active on those two social medias. So, I'm Opal Sapphire, and I will see you next time. Bye!